What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today is gonna be update from yesterday. Whoever didn't watch my live video from yesterday, feel free to go on my live video and check that out. So we're just gonna make a quick update on my FTMO journey, guys. I won't take too long. Right now we are sitting, let me see, 1.1% 96, 1.96 up. So it's been a decent trade. Yesterday I had two trades, but it starts me out back to break even, so I made only $143. It's not that big at a profit, but it's still a profit. I don't mind, I don't care. For me, that's more than enough. The price action didn't work out. So yesterday my planning was to take 2 trades a day. That's my simple strategy. Take 2 trades a day. If the first one is a winner, call it a day. If the first one is a loser, then give a second chance. If the second chance is going to be a loser, call it a day. Very simple. You take the move, 2 setups. I mean, me personally, I'm taking 1 setup per day, but with 2 tries. So that's for me more than enough. It's very simple strategy, very simple concept, very simple risk management strategy. And that works for me. That works for me and it works pretty well. Let's see our curve, guys. So our curve, it looks like that on my FTMO. It's going pretty well. Slowly, but we are growing, which is not too bad. Not too bad at all. So yesterday we made a profit of 143, which is not that much, but still we're sitting on the average risk to reward ratio on 12.70, 51% win rate, 29 trades, and my balance is 101,962 and 53 cents. This is my update. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, to like my video, but I hope this challenge, I'm gonna hit my 10% target finally, because it's unlimited. So I do have time, not rushing, trying to make slowly but consistent gains. And we will see how it's gonna end up for the 2024. I'm planning to finally get funded, and we'll see how everything was gonna work out. For now, to be honest, for today, it wasn't no trade for today. I was looking at those candles. It was kind of a chance, but I don't know, man. I wasn't confident to take. It wasn't the perfect scenario that I was looking for. So I think today it won't be no trade. But if just in case, guys, I'm gonna update you guys. Even if I'm gonna take a trade today, later on I'm gonna throw a video. Today is what, Friday? Right now it's 8:25 a.m. in the morning, and I hope, guys, you enjoy my videos. Everybody knows my name is Nick. I'm trading break and retest strategy and trying to pass my FTMO account. So pray for me, guys, fingers crossed, and hopefully you will see me soon funded. See you later, guys, in my next video. Peace and love. I'm out.